Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're introducing you to the players in the game as we kick off our off-road inspired Crosstrek. Oh yeah! Following up on our introduction to Crawford video, we are installing some of these off-road and overlanding inspired parts onto our 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. As a quick recap, you may be familiar with Crawford for some of their groundbreaking performance parts, but what you may not know is they offer a full line of overlanding accessories designed to upgrade the capabilities of your Crosstrek or Outback in more challenging or rugged terrain. On the table in front of me is some of the parts we will be using to complete our transformation, including a lift kit, front and rear bash bars, rock sliders, front skid plate, and plug-and-play wiring harness for additional lighting. Not included on the table is the lighting that we plan to put on the car, but quite frankly, we haven't decided on that yet. But expect to see things like traditional front rally lights working separately or in tandem with pod and ditch lighting to increase nighttime visibility when camping or off-road. In fact, it looks like we already started by swapping the wheel package out for something a little bit more fitting for this build. You're looking at the Method 502 in gold with a 17x8 fitment. This package fits right at home with the look we're going for. Plus, we got to reuse the factory Yokohama Geolander tire, which is suitable for this application and saves us some money in the long run. Nice. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for our Crosstrek transformation. And if they're lucky, they'll let me jump this thing. Or I'll just do it and they'll find out about it when they see it on the internet. Either way, if you don't see me on this channel anymore, you will probably know why. But for thousands of parts just like everything you see on the table, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.